I am applying for the Youth Interface Leadership Fellowship on Climate Change because I am deeply committed to addressing environmental challenges through collaborative and inclusive approaches. This fellowship represents a unique opportunity to bring my passion for climate action with my belief in the power of interface dialogue to drive meaningful change. I am applying to this fellowship because of my deepest and motivation, which stems from profound concern for environmental issues facing my community, specifically Rwanda, and desire to foster unique, diverse face groups to address this issue. Uh, it is as if it is among the Rwanda's SDG number 7, which is envisioning to reach 2025 with green climate and a green Rwanda that it doesn't affected by any kind of climate change. Uh, and this fellowship focuses on interface dialogue, climate science, and leadership development, which aligns perfectly with my vision of creating impactful solutions that draw on the collective strengths of various religious communities. I'll be honing the skills that will help me to advocate for climate change as the most contagious impact on human societies and biodiversity as well. The skills and experiences that led me to give a hit on motivation that led me to apply for this fellowship is I had already several community-based environmental projects, including tree planting, the greener tomorrow, together we can, and waste management workshops. So this I think that it's the profound motivation that led me to need application in this fellowship. Uh, my ability to plan, coordinate, and manage resources will be strengthened from that fellowship because I'll be learning much more about the information that it can be helping me to have pretty much of impact on the community. I can't go without saying that the climate knowledge I had since my younghood will be helping me to have that great positive impact on the change that can bring the solution to prevailing climate issues in Africa, specifically Rwanda. Thank you.